To, Today is January 26, 2019. One day after I got my BBB Auto Line case denied. One day later after that. So just trying again to make sure that the car is still with the same issue. Alright? Just let's try it. You can hear that sound. Let's try it. Let's try one more time. Let's try one more time. As you can see, the noise is still there. There is vibration in the dashboard. Um, I don't feel good about it because vibration comes from moving parts. Moving parts can broken another electronics in the car or can disconnect anything. If I am in the highway 70 miles per hour and something happens, I could. I mean, I don't want to die, but if something bad happens, I can die. So I don't feel safety in this car anymore like this. Alright.